Okay, so for this kind of problem, we need to look at the discriminant, that is delta, which equals to b squared minus 4ac. Okay, now if delta is greater than 0, then we'll have two unequal real roots. Okay, and if delta equals to 0, then we'll have one double real root. Okay, and if delta is less than 0, okay, then there's no real roots at all. Okay, so this is basically what this question is asking us. So we need to find the delta for this question. All right. Okay, so in this example, positive 3 is our A, and negative 6 is our B, and negative 8 is C. Okay, now keep in mind that we always have to have a 0 on the right hand side. Okay, so looking at the formula of discriminant, okay, we can write delta equals to, in bracket, negative 6 squared b squared minus 4 times a, that is 3 times c. Here you can always find the answer of this and see if it's greater or equal or less than 0. Okay, but I know this part is a positive number, and then minus negative times negative is plus, right? So we're adding a positive number to a positive number, so for sure this is greater than 0. Okay, and again, of course, you can always calculate this number, okay, but I'm just providing you a shortcut. Just look at this line and see whether it's greater than or less than 0. Okay, and so therefore this equation has two unequal real roots.